Alrighty guys, we're here at the 7th Street Garage here, downtown Lafayette, Indiana. This is a brand new parking garage. And check out what we have here. This is a KONE. Very nice one, in fact. Let's go ahead and take a ride on it. And not only is it KONE, it's blue.
Going up.
Yes.
Going up.
Choose your lantern. It's blue. Nice cow. Now, I have driven by this garage a couple times when it was under construction. I was kind of curious what kind of elevator we have. This is it here. This is, well,
Fourth floor. Going down. Going down.
it's a KONE. Shiny.
First floor. Going up.
There's the fire service thing. So beautiful. I'm blue, Bambiana. I'm blue. Sorry, not sorry. That song. Yeah. Hello, my name is
Fourth floor. Going down.
Here's the MRL company here. This is the MRL company. See? City of Lafayette Engineering. And this is actually a brand new parking garage. That's part of the new police station they built right next door. And they probably also have KONE. This is the MRL cabinet. Chase, someone has a whim with the engine. But let's walk it green. That's blue.
Going down. Going down. Going down.
There's a lantern there. It's really nice. I am pretty surprised that they could put KONE in here. That's a big idea. Oh yeah, those are buttons here. I've got a door hold switch. Let's see. See? Now let's go down to 1. 3,500 pounds capacity. It's a nice KONE. No smoking.
First floor.
Nice.
Going up. Going up.
Yeah, you know you're going up. Okay, this is moisturizer thing for whatever. See, look at that.
Going up.
It's just condensation. But yeah, that's a nice elevator. There goes the elevator. And I guess that is gonna be it for me.